3D printing has evolved into a true industrial manufacturing technique, adopted by an ever-growing and wide range of industries. But have you ever wondered about the technology behind these innovations? Can you imagine how designs for 3D printing develop? How they're made printable? And how you make sure you only build parts that fully meet your expectations? How you can scale up your production? And how all of this can meet your industry standards. For over 25 years, we've been building the software backbone for all businesses and industries that want to apply 3D printing in a professional manner. We've become the trusted partner of leading machine manufacturers. We've co-created platforms that are the engine of disruptive innovations that change the rules of businesses, that change how factories run, and have an impact on people's lives. And we keep pushing the boundaries of 3D printing because we believe that extraordinary technologies need extraordinary software.